Install Waka TV on Smart TV. In today's video, I will show you how to install Waka TV on Smart TV. So first of all, go to Google and type Waka TV. Now go to the official website and click on it. So after the website is open, as you can see here, you can read welcome to Waka TV. Now the app is only compatible with the following Android services or devices, sorry. So you can see the box, TV stick, Skyrock Android, and so on. And as you can see, they are not supported smart TVs. So if you have an Android TV, you can read the following. So how to install Waka TV? So as you can see, step number one, access the Play Store and download the app downloaded by AFTV News. Step number two, go to the settings, security and restriction. Now enable apps for unknown sources. And step three, open downloader by AFTV News and type wakatv.net or this code 664118 to install the app. So this is how to install Waka TV on Smart TV. If you found this video was helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.